This is room 737 at the Sheraton Gateway Hotel. This is the airport hotel, so connected to the Toronto airport. Walk in, and right inside you've got your Keurig coffee maker, little closet with a safe. I do want to say thank you to Marriott for upgrading the room. This is a king suite, located on the 7th floor with the concierge club access, as well as this room does have a great view of the actual airport runway. So come out here, you can see the airport. Proximity wise, this is the closest hotel to the Toronto airport. One thing that's great about it is the windows are really thick. You don't hear airplanes going. So it is a quiet room inside, which is nice. Nice comfortable room, little mini fridge, super comfortable king size bed. Then over here we have the bathroom. And then a nice size shower. Overall, great hotel room.
The amenities in this hotel are awesome. The gym has 2 rooms. It's got plenty of treadmills and bikes and weights and free weights, so awesome. The pool area is luxurious and the hot tub is huge, you guys. The lounge at the Sheraton, you guys, is top of the line. We absolutely loved it.